In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply exponents. So that would be something like this: x to the third times x to the fifth. How do we perform this operation? Well, let's find out. So we got x to the third times x to the fifth. What does that equal? X to what exponent? So the rule is very simple rule. The rule is that the base stays the same, and then we just add the exponent. So our base of x stays the same, and then we add the exponent. So in this case, it's 3 and 5, and we just add those, 3 plus 5. So our exponent is going to be 8. So we have x to the 8th. Let's take a look at some other examples here. So we have 3, and we're just going to do this exact same thing. So base stays the same. 2 plus 12 is going to give us x to the 14th. The second one, we got a, so we have a to the 7th times a to the 6th, so we just go 7 plus 6, so we're going to have a to the 13th. Last one, we got z to the 99 and 25th, so we're just going to go 99 plus 25, and our answer is going to be z to the 124th power. Again, it doesn't matter how big or small the exponents, same rule. So there is one common mistake. And the mistake is that we multiply the exponents instead of adding them, because you think, oh, well, it's doing multiplication, but when it's exponents, we just add them. Exponents are different than regular numbers. Always remember that. So let's see an example of the most common mistake here. So we got x to the third times x to the 8th. So the common mistake would be, oh, it's multiplication, so we're just going to go ahead and multiply. And so we get x to the 24th. That is not correct, all right? Make sure you erase this mistake out of your brain. And so, again, what we would really do is we'd go 3 plus 8, which gives us x to the 11th, and there's a good thumbs up right there. So one thing to know is you always want to remember that a variable by itself with no power written on it is same as the power of 1. So let's take a look at that. So, again, a lot of times you're going to see something like just x. And always know that that's just the exact same thing as if it was written as x to the 1. So if you want to go in and rewrite those ones wherever you just see something like x, you can do that. So if you have something like x times x, that's really the same as x to the 1 times x to the 1. And then we will add across our 1s is going to give us x to the 2nd power. So that is everything you need to know about multiplying exponents. I hope this video helped.